When you get into a car accident, your insurance handles liability and damage, but who handles your medical bills if you get injured in the accident? Roger Wotila, a trial attorney, explains some new laws put into place to define that.
We see a lot on TV sometimes of law firms advertising or people advertising about working with you if you've been injured in a car accident. And there have been some changes in the law, so you certainly should see an attorney if you've been injured, for instance, in a car accident. But make sure that that law firm or that attorney is aware of some new laws and regulations that have been put in place. We've had situations where someone comes in and they've been injured in a car accident and they settled quickly with an insurance adjuster, only to find out later that the government's come back and has claimed that the government should have some of that money.
Establishing who pays for what before an accident occurs can save any headache that could come with the process.
Person's injured and Medicare or Medicaid pays part of the hospital bills or the doctor bills. Under new rules and regulations, Medicare or Medicaid has to be informed of the injury, has to be informed of the accident, and that there's a possible settlement. They then will do computerized research, contact the hospitals and doctors, and if they've paid any of the hospital or medical bills, they're going to ask you to pay them back. Now, if you are working with an attorney, very often an attorney can work it out to clear up the issue and make sure that perhaps it's the auto insurance that should be paying and not Medicare or Medicaid.
Things may not be as simple as they seem, so be sure to know the facts before an accident can occur.
If you fail to make notice to the federal Medicare or Medicaid authorities and you don't do it timely, even if you don't owe them money, they can fine you up to $1,000 a day for not following the proper procedures. So sometimes things are not as simple as they seem. Sometimes a person's injured or in a car accident, gets a call from an insurance adjuster and settles quickly on their own. Sometimes attorneys have done this, only to find out later that there are more serious problems they're going to have to deal with. So always make sure that whoever you're dealing with is aware of this and following proper procedures to avoid future problems.
With My News 26, I'm Wyatt Van Dynen.